In today's video we will talk about how Red Bull make money. Red Bull generates revenue primarily through the sale of its energy drinks. Here's a breakdown of how the company makes money. The core of Red Bull's business is the sale of its flagship energy drink. Red Bull is sold in various sizes and flavors globally. The company typically sells its product in cans, and they often market it as a premium product with a higher price point compared to other beverages. Red Bull positions itself as a premium energy drink, allowing it to charge a higher price than many competitors. This premium pricing strategy helps boost profit margins. Red Bull invests heavily in marketing and promotion, including high-profile advertising campaigns, social media, and influencer partnerships. Effective marketing helps drive sales and enhances brand visibility. As of recent data, Red Bull's global annual sales are substantial, reflecting its strong market presence. For a clearer picture, 2022 sales, Red Bull reported selling approximately 11.8 billion cans globally in 2022. This represents a significant increase from previous years, indicating strong consumer demand and brand growth. For 2022, Red Bull's revenue was estimated to be around $9.5 billion USD. This revenue is driven by the sales of its energy drinks, premium pricing strategy, and extensive marketing efforts. The company's wide market reach in over 170 countries contributes to its strong sales figures. Red Bull's ability to maintain high sales volumes is also supported by its effective brand positioning and innovative marketing campaigns. Red Bull operates its own media company, producing content related to sports, music, and culture. This content is distributed across various platforms, including television, digital media, and print. Revenue is generated through media sales, advertising, and sponsorships tied to the content. The company organizes and hosts its own events, such as the Red Bull Air Race and Red Bull Crashed Ice. These events help promote the brand and create additional revenue streams through ticket sales, merchandising, and media coverage. Thanks for watching Animations Hub.